Assalamualaikum. My name is Atifah binti Mat Syamsuddin. My metric number is AD140113. So I will present you about my computer programming projects. For the chapter 1, I will present you about my introduction, which is background of the information. So the main objective of this project is to study beam deflection due to a point with two joint supports at either end. Also gather all the knowledge about subject solid mechanic 1 and solid mechanic 2. So for 1.2 is problem statement. In mechanical engineering, measuring beam deflection plays an important role in teaching and application of knowledge of deflection. As I mentioned above, we want to investigate the beam deflection due to a point with two joint support at either end. So in this project, the requirement is to solve this problem by using C++ software and create a flowchart. And the optimization for this project is to include looping. So I will use this formula to calculate my deflection, which is I over modulus of elasticity time with the second moment of inertia. As you can see here, this is my figure about our problem, which is to find the deflection. So my objective in this project is, the first one is to determine the deflection due to a point with two joint support at either end. The second one is to solve the support reaction of a beam using various methods related to subject solid mechanics. The last one is to solve the deflection of a beam with two joint support at either end by using C++ software. For the chapter 2, which is the methodology, so for the methodology I use two, which is the first one is flowchart and the second is C program. For the flowchart, I just assume the deflection along a beam is 9 meter for the length, and I assume the weight is 70 kilogram. So as you can see here, we start and then we fix the value, which is for the modulus of elasticity is 10 power of 9, moment of inertia 1.042 power of negative 6, the length is 9 meter, weight is 70 kilogram, and time with 9.81 in Newton. And I also set the value of x is equal to 0. So it will follow the flowchart because the length is 9 meter. If the x is less than 9 meter, it will follow the flowchart, which is will calculate by using the formula, which is b times with h power of 3 divided by 12. And then it will continue until we get the value of x is more than 9. For my program, as you can see here, we just include Studio H, include Make H, and we define the double E, I, L, A, and W. And then we use for looping, integer x equal to 0, x is less than L, and x plus plus. So it will print out the value for the deflection. So for the chapter 3, I will show you my result after I have run my program. The value shows for this deflection is at x equal to 0 and x equal to 9, the value we got is 0.0. But the others, which is x equal to 1 until x equal to 8, the value is not constant, which is 0.32, 0.6, 0.79, 0.8, and others. We can say that the value shows different and not constant, and our objective was achieved, which is to determine the value for deflection. for my discussion, we can say that the value for the deflection x equal to 0 and deflection x equal to 9 is 0.0. It means that we have to stop the process until the last one we got is the same with the first. As I mentioned before, if we get the value of x is more than 9, we have to stop that flowchart, that program. So after we had run using C++ software, we can say that deflection along a beam shows the different values start from x equal to 1 until x equal to 8, except for the first and the last one. So the parameter that we use in this project is length, distance, weight, modulus of elasticity, and also second moment of inertia. So what I can conclude from overall of my project, we have learned how to find the deflection of a beam due to a point with two joint support at either end using C++ software and also flowchart. Actually, deflection of beam can be calculated by using various methods, but in this project I choose to use C++ software as it is simple and easy to run, and the result will appear on a screen. Besides, we also explore the basic understanding in subject computer programming on how to run the program and sketch the flowchart according to its sequence. From the study, we also gain some knowledge on how to design deflection of beams, on how to provide stability of structural design. Lastly, as an engineer, we can apply this knowledge in our daily application whenever we want to design something that involves beam or shape.